Yo, JBLANKED'S here. Welcome to the October edition of my community overview. In this video, I will go over the ins and outs of everything you get access to as a VIP member and as a regular member in my community. I'm going to start over in Discord. Let's go over the general channels, then we'll go over the VIP channels. So the main general channel is the chat here. Mainly say, good morning, or if you have anything else to say, this is the chat for that. Next general channel is the forex profits, and here you will post your forex profits, your success. And then the other general channels are mainly over here in the sauce. We have this motivation channel, which I post in every single morning, some motivation, free signals, and this is from the news notifier in the TMA RSI Bandit. Free tools. These are free trading tools that you can download directly for MT4 and MT5. The news API, this is announcements about the news API. Same thing for the Easy Skate. This is for our mobile apps, and everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Well, now let's go over to the VIP sections, and then we're going to go over to the website. So in VIP, we have this announcements channel here. It's just announcements for the VIP. We have the VIP bots profits. Now everyone can see this, but only VIP members are allowed to post here, and this is just success from our bots. We have the VIP chat, which is just like the chat, but this is just for VIP members. And then down below that we have the voice chat, and that is where we have our weekly Saturday live trainings. All right, VIP extras, VIP updates. This is where I post any update relating to our community. We have the news analysis. Now this has the VIP version of the news notifier, and it also drop my analysis in here, like for the news this morning, and most of the time I'll go a little bit deeper than that, but that was just a small example. But this is the news analysis channel. We have the alerts. Now this has our currency meter, the RSI Predator, the TMA RSI Bandit, and the GHT notifier. Awesome. Next channel, we have the manual trades channel. Shout out to Dre, going crazy. We have the manual trades channel, and this is where most of our manual engagement is. So we'll talk with each other, come up with plans, share trading ideas, and things of that nature. We have the back testing channel, just like the manual trades channel, but this is for expert advisors. We'll share ideas, we'll share bot settings back and forth, and things like that. This one is really good. The schedule, this is the highlights for news events during the week. So not every single news event will be in here, just the ones that I think will have the most importance. Suggestions, and these are community suggestions or things to possibly add in or change. One-on-ones, so you can request a one-on-one with me. It's usually about an hour, and we go over your success, your growth, and come up with a plan to get you to your goals. And then lastly, the issues. This is just where you would put any issues you have, especially with our expert advisors or anything at all. This is the channel for that. All right, great. We're done with Discord. Let's hop over to my website here, jblank.com. This is what you'll see if you're a VIP member. We have some quick links for success. This is the weekly email that I send out. This is the replay from the last training. This was last Saturday. And these are the featured trading tools. And then lastly, we have the featured YouTube videos. On top of that, they also get access to a ton of news resources. So if we click on VIP and go to resources, we have a ton of resources. So let's go over these one by one. Let's start this way. The news dictionary. This is just quick, short 2 points about news analysis. And that's used for more of a reflection of what we went over in the courses, which is what this is, the forex courses. We have 4 news analysis courses and 1 forex beginner course. The news query, you can select the currency and the news event. It will give you analysis, and the outcome, and it will give you analysis on that event and that event outcome. The news analysis quizzes, and this also has our coding quizzes. You can take quizzes to test your knowledge. That's 20 questions, and they randomize each time. Next we have the news navigator, and this is our top expert advisor. This is the page for that. You can see the change log if you have access to it, some live results, and then the intro video. The news library, and this is a place where you can learn about a specific news event. So in general, it just has a list of all the news events. And then if you click on one, let's choose this one here, you can look at the history, you can look at the smart analysis. This one in particular doesn't have machine learning predictions, but if it would, you would see your chart underneath that, and then you can see the history of it all the way back until 2020, if I'm not mistaken, which it seems like there wasn't any data before then. Okay, let's go back and back. Now we have the news calendar. This is so you can see the news events from week to week. Click on the MQL5 one. You can see what's coming up, what has happened already. Okay, and let's go back and back. And last but not least, the news GPT. And with this is a customized GPT that is solely based on our education. I put everything that I know about news analysis into this. Yeah, and it is awesome. Definitely take some time to get into it. We'll ask you something simple like what is dovish in forex. Very simple, but it can expand on our news analysis concepts. There we go. And dovish, it's pretty much bearish, selling, etc., etc., etc. Okay, there's that. Showed you the courses, the news resources. We also have coding courses, MQL4, MQL5, and Python. I have some more courses coming towards the end of the year. The replays section, all of our replays all the way back through August of 2023. So we have a lot of replays. They also get access to our APIs. We'll go to documentation. This is the news API. You get unlimited access to the news API, which has machine learning and back testing, and can be used in MQL4, MQL5. We have a Swift library, we have a Python library, and of course through GET request, it can be accessed through anything that has access to HTTP methods. Anything else that I'm missing out? I think that's about it. Forex, VIP, replays, tutorials. Oh, trading tools. Cannot forget about trading tools. We officially have 61 trading tools. We do have some for free that you can go and download just by clicking free. It'll pull up the free ones that we have here. You can go and download these. We have the different bots, indicators. And if you've been following my channel, you have seen some of these indicators before, and I'm going to make some more videos talking about some indicators and some bots coming up very, very, very soon. All right, this is the October edition of the JBLANKED'S community. Let's go.